And we are in front of the Globus T45. It's called the Globus Go. And we shall be looking at actual specs, and we shall be entering inside to have a small swipe of this camper. Nice looking kitchen, the two burner stove, nicely looking cabinets on the upper part, and then we have a tower fridge, pretty large, and we have some longitudinal beds on the back. It looks actually pretty good, and this part can be also extended to make a complete bed. And if we measure, the actual wideness is about 2 meters wide, and if we measure from this side, we have also 2 meter in length. So it's a really wide bed. You can easily and comfortably sleep 3 people inside. And from this part we have a cozy bathroom with attached for cassette toilet and sink that actually can swivel to create a separate shower unit with actual shower unit right up there. Pretty nicely done. And from the front side we have the standard 4-transit chassis. This nice looking seats that actually look pretty comfortable with a comfortable table. On this part we have additional storage units over the dinette. Not bad for an 6-meter camper. And getting on the back, we will be checking around and see how this looks from the outside, and then for the final we will be getting also to the actual price, actually check all the specs of this camper, and this is actually the price of 69,100. And you can also check in a moment actual storage, not bad. We can actually check it's 0.75 wide and it's 2 meter long, so a lot of stuff that you can put inside.